This video tutorial I will explain what is IP address and port number. Imagine that you want to send a letter to your friend. The friend lives in different town. To make sure your letter reaches your friend's house, you need two important things. The first one is home address and the second one is specific mailbox where they can collect their mail. In the world of computers and internet, IP address is like your friend's home address, and IP address is a unique set of numbers that identifies a specific computer or device on the internet. Every computer which are connected to the internet has its own IP address, just like every house has a unique street address. Now think of port number as a specific mailbox at your friend's house. Just like your friend may have different mailboxes for different purposes. For example, one mailbox for regular mail, another mailbox for newspaper, etc. Like that, computers use different port numbers to receive a specific type of data. For example, web server might use port number 80 to receive web page requests, and email server might use port number 25 to accept incoming emails. So in this analogy, house is equivalent to computer, address of the house is equivalent to IP address, specific mailbox is equivalent to port number. So when you send data over the internet, it is like sending a digital letter, and the IP address ensure it goes to the right computer. Like address on the envelope ensures your letter reaches to the correct house, and the port number tells the computer which specific mailbox to put the data so that right application or service can receive and process the data. In summary, IP address is like a computer's home address on the internet, and the port number is like a specific mailbox at that address where data is delivered for particular purpose. Together they make sure your digital information gets to the right place on the internet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.